Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change Bluetooth name in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to about phone. Go to about phone here. And here, click on edit button. Here default name is Durai's S23 Ultra. If you turn on Bluetooth and if you would like to connect this Bluetooth device to other device, then Durai's S23 Ultra will be visible as a name to other devices. Okay, if you would like to change this Bluetooth name, click on edit button here and here type your own name. Here I type Gerolina. Click on done, and hereafter my Bluetooth name will be read as Gerolina in other devices. So in this way you can easily change Bluetooth name in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.